Hello all, my name is Aditya. I'm from 8th standard in Campion School, and this is the certification course for Google Mail. So to open Google Mail, you have to simply type mail.google.com, and if you press enter, it'll take you to Gmail. So for this certification course, the first step is to compose an email with an attachment and send it to any of your friends or relatives or parents. So as you can see, that is my signature. But anyways, I will send this to my mother. So the subject will be Whiz Juniors. So I am going to go onto the internet, type Whiz Juniors, and find an image of Whiz Juniors. And now that I have saved it, I can attach it by using this button right here. And once I open it, it'll upload it to the Google server, and then I can press send. And that is how to send a message with an attachment. So the next step is to check the email that you sent in your sent folder. So a simple way to do this, rather than pressing the sent mail over here, you can type the word in followed by a colon followed by sent, and without spaces. Then when you press search, it'll show you all your sent mail. So as you can see, I have sent it. I have sent this message along with right over here. You can see this message which I have sent to my mother has this picture attached to it. So the next step is to star a message in your inbox. So when I go to my inbox, I'll star this message from YouTube, or rather from this message from Google. Also, the simple way to do that is clicking the star button. So the next step is to forward a message from your inbox to one of your friends. The simple way to do that is by going into the message, and then as you can see, there's a reply button, but when you click more, a drop down comes in which you can select to forward the message. So I will forward this message to one of my friends, and the next part is to create a label name project. So once I send this message, I'm going to go to my so the way to create labels is to click the drop like there would be a more option. So once you click it, you can see this categories tab. Under it you can create a new label. So I'm gonna call this project as they have stated in the guidelines. And I'm gonna create it. So the next thing to do is move two emails from your inbox to project folder. So I will move these two Google ones to the project folder, and after that it says to color code your project folder. So once you go to the project folder, you get this drop down, so you can go to the label color, and then I want to change it to red, so it'll now show red next to it. So now I can mark one of my mail. Now I have to mark one of the mail from my inbox as unread. So I'll do it to this one. So once you get the once you click the more drop down, the option comes as mark as unread. So once you click it, it'll be marked as an unread email. As you can see, it is unread, as all of the ones which are unread are lighter shade of gray. So the next step is to add 2 contacts of my friend. So the way to add contacts is when you go on the Gmail page, you can click this drop down over here, which is above the compose button, and then you can click contacts. So from this contacts, to add a new contact, you have to click the plus button. So in this case, I'm gonna add my friend Netik Verma's contact. And you don't have to add company or job title, but you should add at least the email address if you're not gonna add anything else. As you should either add the email address or the phone number. 0719netik@gmail.com is his. So anyways, let's save his contact. And now I have Netik Verma's contact. So now let me also add the second contact, which is one of my friends from YouTube who does not want to disclose his name. His name is Doodle Lord. And I'll add his email. His email is doodlelord07@gmail.com. So I will save this, and that finishes the next part of this certification course. So the next part is add 2 mails to tasks. So the easy way to do that is to select 2 messages such as this one and this one, click more, and then click add to tasks from the drop down. So now my emails, so now these 2 have both been added to tasks, and the next step is to translate one of my messages from my inbox from English to Hindi. So I'm gonna use this one, and the way you can do that is by clicking this drop down right here, and then as you can see that there's this translate message option. So then you can choose the languages, and in this case, since I want to translate it to Hindi, I'm gonna select the first language as English, the second one is Hindi, and as you can see, this message is now in Hindi. So next, add signature to your mails. Since I already have a signature, I'll just add a new one. So you have to go to settings, and then here's where you can add a signature. So this is how you do it. You have to basically go to the signature tab, and then you can type whatever you want. Like I'll say, hello, this was from Aditya Anil. So basically that is where you add it, and make sure that you have this box selected, and then go to the bottom, click save changes right down here. So after I click save changes, it will save it, and the next step is to add a nice theme to your Gmail. So right now I have this desk theme, but the way you can change it is by going right over here to the themes. So once I click themes, it gives me a wide variety of options to choose from, and I would like to choose this theme right here. So as you can see, it has changed the background, and this one is an animated theme. So if you like the theme and want to keep it, you can click save right here. And so once that is done, the next part of this certification is to search for a particular message from the start folder. So I'll go to the start folder, And now I want to search for, let's see, this one, this message right here which I sent to myself, and here it is, I found it. So the next and final part is search for a particular message from the inbox that has attachments. So in my inbox, let's see, one message which has attachments is this one, and you can tell once you see this icon at the side of a message which will let you open it. So anyways, the title is FW colon new Raju with trophy. So supposing I type FW colon, I should be able to get it. And yes, as you can see, I have got it. And this is the attachment. And that concludes my certification course. And thank you for watching it and taking your time out to watch this.